Another good part about the bachelor would be HMS Trent's design. So beneath us here we have bunk space for 52 extra. So at the moment, Gulf beginning, we've got a Royal Marine boarding team on board and a sniper team. And that's clearly the right fit for what we need to do here with potentially opposed boardings and the maritime threat as it is. However, it's versatile. We can also have 16 20-foot containers on board, or we can put some extra boats on, etc. So we could have a container that has some intelligence equipment or listening equipment, bring an intelligence team on board and carry them, plus a raw reporting team, etc., or some special forces to do some insertion. So that's a real plus piece of this ship, is that we can double the size of the crew with extra personnel, depending on what the mission is, where we are in the world, and what's required. So really versatile, it's just bonus. Actually, because of our capability of actually ensure we actually have some sort of ability with the extra boats on board with the insertion teams. And at the moment, so this example here, this container here is for our Royal Marine boarding team. So they keep a lot of flexibility maybe on the ship. There's a trade-off though, because we can land a helicopter here, but if we have lots of equipment in containers, so that reduces that capability. So yeah, it's quite a versatile platform from that point of view. Allows us to get boats not just in Gulf of Guinea, but wherever we go with the right fit.
How fast can this ship travel?
We can do about 25 knots, which is about 45 kilometers an hour, 40, something like that. Yeah, it's not safe. 25 knots. So about 45 kilometers an hour. So that's how fast it can go. In terms of our overall range, we can do 5,500 miles at least. So that's easily here back to the UK without having to refuel. Any questions on that? We deployed from the UK in March, and since then we've been to the Mediterranean and to Black Sea, camping down here. So we sailed down this time we came from Gibraltar initially. So that was it's probably about 2 weeks at sea. We did have stuff for days. But we're like, we received 9 days.
Okay, people wey dey follow us, they see all of the questions for our comment section. They ask wetin British ship can do for Nigeria. They don't explain, say they can't do collabo with Nigerian Navy and some other countries where they fall under the Gulf of Guinea, where include Ghana, Cape Verde, Senegal and Gambia. They go there for Africa for the next 3 months, and within that 3 months then they start with Nigeria. From here they go now move to other parts of Africa, I mean under the Gulf of Guinea. Like I've been done mentioned before, some of the places where they plan to go into Cape Verde, Ghana, Senegal and Gambia. That's after they don't leave Nigeria. The ship they fully manned with enough British Marines where they inside and we follow, they guide the ship. and then go follow do the whole collabo where they want to do with the Nigerian Navy and the Navy formations for other countries where I don't mention. So far so good. The information be said they go help also to train the Nigerian Navy on other skills where they feel use fight terrorism, fight piracy, fight people where they do drug work on top the seas. All the source na part of the help where British government they give this Gulf of Guinea region. Na part of why this ship set to sail. I say this ship come out UK since March and it done the move since that time. It don't land Nigeria from here, it can move to other countries around the Gulf of Guinea. So on top the British warship that they call HMS Trent, now be the name where they see here. So and the name of the British warship we just land for Niger. He done be here for a couple of days. That's the land on Saturday and he go to Niger for the next 1 week before he go move to another country inside the Gulf of Guinea region. Part of their work now to like help this region. And at about now we're going to leave this place. So we just step out of the ship right away. Like I showed on the outside shots. Sorry. The ship in question be that from the outside view. With the Nigerian Navy they guide them from outside, while inside are the British soldiers they guide them inside. British warship HMS Trent will land Nigeria since Saturday. He go to Nigeria for the next 1 week to do collabo with the Nigerian Navy authorities, and he go also help do further training for Nigerian Navy on top how to find